Hey, what's up? Aaron here. Hope you're doing well. If you're watching this video right now, you might be checking out Leadsleap.com, this traffic exchange, and you're wondering, can you make money from Leadsleap? How does this actually work? Is this worth your time? And the big question is how much money can you really earn? Okay, so we're going to take a look at Leadsleap and let's see if this is really a good way to make some extra money on the internet. Now, at any time, if you want to get my favorite way to get to 5 to 10,000 US dollars per month, 100% from home, all you need to do is just click the link below and I'll send you that training directly to your email for free. All right, now let's take a look at Leadsleap. I have reviewed hundreds and hundreds of different types of make money online style websites. This one has been around for a very long time, and it's been operating since 2008. All right, essentially it's a traffic exchange, but it's got a bit of a twist and it works a little bit better than a lot of other traffic exchanges. So let's kind of talk a bit about how this really works. Okay, so these guys have stood the test of time, which is nice to see. Right, and the way that it works is they mainly focus on the make money niche. So a lot of people that come here to promote their offers are in the make money from home space, right? Now, the first thing that you can do is you can serve ads and make money, which is pretty cool because a lot of other websites, traffic exchanges don't necessarily allow you to do that, right? So you get your membership for free. There's a paid and free membership. And if you just use the free membership, you can surf their ads, and they've got a specific algorithm written for themselves where they will pay you based on real surfing time. All right, so it's not about clicking through ads necessarily. It's more about looking at an ad properly and interacting with the ad, and the more time you spend on that ad and the more you interact with it, the more credits you get, which you can exchange for real money. So that's one way to earn from this website. You're actually coming here, you're creating a free account, and you're viewing a lot of make money from home, make money online style ads. Okay, and then once you have enough money, you can withdraw that for free. Okay, another way that you can make money from Leadsleap is if you want to advertise your offer. All right, so once you get the credit, you can either change that credit and put banner ads and different types of ads on their platform. It's kind of like an advertising network. All right, or you can also pay to advertise your banner ads so that people that come here, like me for example, or like you, and they want to view ads and make a little bit of money, they can do that. At the same time, they can also click onto your offers through your ads, right? And maybe opt into your offers and maybe buy from you that way. So that's another way that you can earn if you are an affiliate marketer and if you have some sort of product that you want to promote on the website. Okay, so multiple ways that you can earn. Another thing about this particular platform is that they have some free tools as well. So it's not just getting traffic to your websites, right? But it's also, they've got a list manager, a page builder, a pop-up creator, and a link tracker for free, which is pretty cool. All right, now again, you know, the list manager, page builder, pop-up creator, and link tracker, it's not the most amazing tools in the world, right, compared to paid stuff, but it's free. All right, and it works. So if you are an internet marketer and you want to get some of these tools for free, you can come to Leadsleap and sign up right here. So the big question is though, is how much money can you make? And is this really worth your time? All right. Now, traffic exchanges, you know, normally the way they work is you spend time on them, and the more time you spend on them, the more you can advertise your own link. Okay. This is the same, but they have a little bit of a twist where they don't force you necessarily to watch a particular ad for a specific amount of time. What they do is they reward you for quality viewing time on any ad that you see. Okay, so it's slightly different. And also you can make money, real money, by actually just watching ads, which is pretty cool. All right, it does take a long time for you to make that money though, because obviously they have to run a business and their revenue model doesn't allow them to pay out tons and tons to watch ads, right? But they do pay out a little bit of money. All right, so 50 credits will equal to 10 cents, and every time you watch an ad you will earn roughly about 5 credits, you know, very, very little. All right, so it does take a while before you earn even 10 cents. You have to watch quite a lot of ads, many hours. All right, but you can do that if you want. Now here's the other thing. If you have an affiliate link and you want to promote it on this website, or if you have some sort of banner ad that you want to put on this website, will you generate a lot of traffic and will you generate a lot of sales? That's the big question, right? So that's kind of what traffic exchanges are for. You can either pay them to advertise your offers, or you can view ads get credits, and then exchange that credits to advertise on the website. You can do that too. Now, here is the big thing about traffic exchanges. You have to understand that yes, there are a lot of people coming here to view ads, but remember the intention of the person that's coming to view the ad, right? A lot of them that are viewing the ads are here to view them to make money, not necessarily to click on your stuff to buy, all right? Now, don't get me wrong. If your ad is up for long enough and you have a lot of people viewing your ad, some of them will click through your ad and some of them will actually opt in and give you an email. But the thing is that a lot of them won't necessarily buy because their intention and motivation is not really here to buy something. Their intention and motivation is here to make money by viewing ads, right? Occasionally, if they come across a really good ad, and it might be your ad, they might say, oh, this looks really, really good. I want to, opt in and see what it's about, and maybe they will buy. But for the most part, most of the traffic won't do that, okay? So can you make money from Leadsleap? Yes, you can, right? Can you make it from promoting your own affiliate offers? Yes, you can. Can you make money from viewing ads? Yes, you can. But is it that much money? No, not really. Okay. So you'll make a little bit of money for spending a lot of time on this platform. And also, if you're already an affiliate marketer and you have some sort of offer and you want to stick it onto Leadsleap, you can do that. You can pay it or do it for free by watching ads and getting credit, right? And exchanging it for ad space and ad time. But understand that the quality of the traffic isn't going to be very high. Even though they are real humans and these people are interested in making money online, the intention of the people viewing the ads isn't to buy something, it's to make money by viewing ads, okay? And because of that, yes, you might get a few opt-ins and you might even get a few sales, but you're not going to make a ton of traffic and you're not going to make a ton of sales by doing it this way, just because of the intention and the motivation of the people that are coming to this website. I hope that makes sense, okay? But is it a pretty good traffic exchange compared to a lot of the other traffic exchanges out there? I would think so, okay? But I personally think that if you're in the make money from home space and you want to sell affiliate offers, you should learn to generate your own traffic. Don't rely on traffic exchanges. Go out there, learn a skill set like TikTok or YouTube or Instagram or Facebook ads or Google ads or search engine optimization. You get the idea. That will generate you higher quality traffic and more traffic that will want to actually buy from you directly. I hope that makes sense. All right. Now, if you're here watching this review of Leadsleap, perhaps you're someone who's looking to make money online, right? Maybe you came across Leadsleap, it's been around for a long time, and you're wondering, can I get more traffic this way? Can I make money this way? Again, I've reviewed hundreds of different ways to make money online. If you would like to get my favorite way to get to $5,000 to $10,000 US per month, 100% from home, you just need your computer and an internet connection. I would love to send you that training for free. Just click on the link in the description box and I'll send that directly to your email. I hope you enjoyed this review of Leadsleap and hope to see you on another review. Take care.